morning everyone. Today is 15th September and today is day 2 in Rumtse, and now we are all ready and set to go, and today our destination is going to be Manali. Yesterday we slept early thinking that we would enjoy the sunrise, but we did not had a good luck today because today the weather is very cloudy here, so we could not see the sunrise because it was all very dull, and so I could not even record anything. And now we've done packing everything and now we are leaving. Our car is parked there and the owner has just left. He had some work to do, so he just left, and that's it. So let's begin the journey for today. Let's go to Manali today.
चलो पहन लो आप जैकेट। चलो सी यू
बाय। चलो मैं निकालती हूँ वीडियो। Right now we are on our way to Tanglang La Pass and it has started to snow. I'm not sure if you can see, but just see it's falling on my hand. You can see it. Wait, I'll just let it fall on my jacket. It's snowing. It has started to snow, see? And we met a few bikers. They said that at the Baralacha Pass there is more. So I don't know what to say now. We are finally getting snow. Can't believe that it's finally snowing over here.
इधर से लो, यहाँ से ये दिख रहा पूरा white.
I'm not sure if you all can see it, but there are a lot of snowflakes on our car. I'll just show you all that. Here are the snowflakes, and just look at the climate. It's all foggy now. My even hands are shaking with cold. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there are a lot of snowflakes on our car. I'll just show you that. It's 11 a.m. right now, and we have reached Tanglang La, and the snowfall has also stopped. So Tanglang La was almost 28 kilometers from Rumtse, and it's very cold here. But it's okay. It has stopped snowing, so not a big problem. I'll just show you the view around here now, and now there is a bit of sunlight coming, just a bit. So I'll just show you all. This is Tanglang La Pass. That is the highest cafe on the NH3. And we have Tanglang La Pass. That's in front. And we are on the altitude of 17,482 feet, and the Tanglang La Pass is 12th highest pass of the world. Here is the milestone. It's snowing, but it's very little, not like how it was snowing before, like that heavy heavy snow. So this is the view, and I don't think I'll stand for a long time here because it's very cold. There is a car right in front of the Tanglang La Pass. It's 1:15 right now, and we are here at the Mor Plains. We have already covered the whole road, and now we are just like 10 kilometers away from Pang, where the Mor Plains will finish. And from here, it's like if you see further ahead, it seems as though it's snowing or raining. We did get like little bit of drizzling while we were on the Mor Plains, and I'll just show you all the view from here. I think it is snowing ahead because here also there are like little like snowballs falling, like tiny. So I'll just show you all the view from here. A car, and then the further you all can see the clouds, like they are like quite down. Yeah, like this happens mostly when it's snowing, and see that side also it's snowing. And this is the whole view of the Mor Plains. It's quite cold here, like there's no wind blowing, but it's very cold. So this is the whole Mor Plains. Mor Plains begin right after, like once you cross the Tanglang La Pass. There is a small village called Depring. After you complete the village, Mor Plains begin, and yeah, that's there. So Mor Plains are like basically straight road, like not completely straight, like they're flat roads, and like there are plains on both the sides, like no mountains, like they're just flat lands on both the sides. So that's why it's called like plains, Mor Plains. And now we'll also get Gata Loops. We flew a drone back here in the on the Mor Plain road. So I'll attach the video in this video also. I'll attach the drone shot in this video. Yeah, so let's begin the journey. One more thing, this whole Mor Plain stretches of almost about 40 kilometers, 40 to 45 I feel. It starts right after Depring and ends at Pang. So now Pang is just around 10 to 12 kilometers from here. So yeah, let's go. So we had just come a few meters ahead and we found this spot. Like there is a river coming from there, that point, and it's coming like whole way there. And just look at these formations of sand. It's all sand. I guess this is mainly because of like when it snows and the snow melts, like these formations are formed because of melting of snow, and it's very cold, very cold. So it's better that we leave from here now. Almost 3 o'clock right now, and we are here at the Lachung La Pass here, whose altitude is almost 16,616 feet, and this pass is on the way, like on the Kelong Leh highway, and the roads after Pang till Serchu are the worst. Like you can see, there are no roads. It's like full off-roading. It's like there are just no roads. Still, Serchu is 50 kilometers. We have to still drive on this off-roading patch for more 50 kilometers. Let's see. Let's go. It's very windy here. The winds are very strong and it's very cold. So let's resume. Just look at our car. We had just washed our car in the morning, and just look at the car. So right now it's 4 o'clock, and I've reached here at the Nakeela Pass, which the altitude of the pass is around 15,547 feet. Started driving on the Gata Loops, and it's raining, and it's like also snow is also falling, so I can't shoot properly, but It's 5:30 right now and we have finally entered Himachal Pradesh, and now we are on our way to the Baralacha La Pass, and Baralacha La Pass is going to be our first destination of Himachal Pradesh. It's 6:30 p.m. and we have just crossed the milestone of Baralacha Pass, and just look at the fog. There is literally zero visibility. This is Suraj Tal and it's on way to Manali from Baralacha La Pass. We reached Manali at 11 o'clock at night, and because it was too dark, I didn't record much. And soon as we checked in our hotel, we went to sleep because the journey from Baralacha La Pass to Manali was just too tiring. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.